folks, welcome to another lesson. This was voted for over at Patreon by all these lovely folk, and I'm super glad that they did vote for this one because there's loads of stuff going on in the lead part that Noel plays. I'll run through the chords very quickly at the beginning though, but first off, tuning. We're in standard tuning, but the original recording is it's either a bit sharp or a bit flat, I forget, so just bear that in mind if you want to play along with the original. I might pitch correct it actually and chuck up a version of that. Gear wise, I'm mainly using the Scran for this one. It's my go-to Oasis pedal. Cheeky little discount as well for any SoundLoud Liverpool pedals. So my clean tone is this, and I'm going to use a couple of tones with the Scran. This one to sort of voxify my amp, right, which it does brilliantly. Then I'm using these settings for this part, you know, for Noel's kind of noodly stuff. All that good stuff. And then for the solo stuff, these settings. Now you're also going to need a reverb. I'm using just a big hall reverb for the part of the solo, which goes. And then right at the very end, there's also a delay part, which is. Just that, right? Brief run through of the chords played. The verse is just G to D with a little sus4 action, A minor, and then you're going to do C, D, G. Okay, and the rhythm goes like this. One more time slowly. Chorus then is an E minor, but you keep the D and the G held. Okay, so we have. So what you've got there is just the first chord that's different, really. And the rest of it's mostly the same, right? You just do the D, A minor. The other guitar I think plays A minor 7 there. So pick one you like. And then you got that C to G, right? And when you come to do the second time, you do tag on an extra bar, and you also move to the F. So we go. Like that, right? And the other guitar part, that's the rhythm guitar part, that's Bonehead's part, right? But then you've got. Noel's playing that, okay? That's it in terms of chords. There's one more progression which is in the outro, which is just F to A minor. Like that, okay? So that's all you need. Now let's get into the noodly part. Over the second verse, Noel starts playing some really cool stuff. We've got this. 3, 4. like that, okay? So it's a similar thing moved about the neck, really, isn't it? So you've got the 12th fret for 2 bars, then we do this. So you're adding, like, you know, your 3rd and 2nd finger there. You can add both at the same time if you want. Up to you, and then down to the 7th fret. So that's a hammer on while the other note rings out. Like that, okay? Then the 5th fret rings out for a bar. Then we've got this little... And that is just... So you do a hammer on and a slide. Okay, like that. Second time round. Subtle difference is this. So we've got... Then we go into the chorus, and he's just arpeggiating, really. So we have... It's the first time round, okay? So pretty straightforward, and you've got the tab there. Then he goes... Little fill there. Then we have this. And then into the solo, right? So the first few bars go 3, 4. So that is just bend, release, pull off. Again. Then we got this. Really nice. You've just got... But with the double stop, it's... And then you've got... So with the reverb on as well, you'd have 3, 4... going on, right? So I'll turn the reverb off so you can hear what's going on. So there, that again slowly. 3, 4. Pretty straightforward. Then this run down. Again. And then one more time. And we've got... So you've got a full step bend for like an 1/8 note and a half. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then it's pre-bent. So you will get a thing going on. And then again, another one. That's the same, exact same riff as before. With this bit, don't worry about the rhythm there, but I mean, I've tried to pick up exactly how he did it. And then we've got a repeating part. done. Another variation from before, right? I'm going to keep this setting on, so we'll go through the next part. This verse then goes. I think that actually holds out, you know, while the next verse plays. But then we have. Just a variation on a theme, right? And then again, then the delay comes on, but we've got this. And that's played over the chorus chords. Then we've got this outro rhythm guitar. And you're just playing this. Delay's off at this point, right? So we have. Play that round 6 times effectively. And then there's a little bit of variation where we go. And then we have 3, 4. Okay, then we go. You know, all that stuff, right? So let's do it 4 bars at a time. We have. Then we got this repeating part basically, which goes. And then after that you do. Okay, and then again. Again. You leave that ringing out for 2 and a bit bars. So then we've got this. It's part of a A minor type chord, and then that's it, you're done. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I didn't go too quickly, but you got the tab, so hopefully that helps. See you soon.